research, people say that people who make less than $75,000 a year worry a great deal about trying to make just a little bit more. And the people who make more than $75,000 a year, they worry a great deal about losing what little they have, they feel. Wealth, it's one of those neuralgic issues in all of our lives. None of us have enough money. We'd all like a little more. And even when we do have it, we can sometimes even squander what we have. Last week we read about the prodigal son who wanted his share of the inheritance, and then he went away and he squandered the money that he had. And today we read about this steward, someone taking care of someone else's money, and the same word is used. He squanders the money of the master. And all of us not only know about money, we know about squandering. There are times for all of us when maybe we had a little extra money and we squandered it away. Or at other times, what little we do have, we maybe overspend the money that we have. We squandered what has been given to us. So the wealth of our lives, it's in our hearts, one way or the other, wanting more, and even when we have it, sometimes squandering it away. But the truth is this: there are different kinds of wealth. There is something deeper than just the money of our lives. That was the point of last week's gospel, when the son who squandered the father's money came home. And we know what the father's reaction was when he saw his son returning, and the joy that he had in racing out and embracing the son. And even in this complicated parable gospel story today, it's not just the story about the money that the steward misspent. It's not even about how he arranged for his future by calling in each of the people who owed the master some money. And then what did he do? He had them sit down and rewrite their debts. He cleverly involved them in his own mismanagement, so that later on, when he was in need, he could turn to those who had also been complicit in his lack of stewardship and pressure them to take care of him. There's something deeper than even the surface level of that parable. Jesus says to them, make friends with dishonest money. And what is dishonest money? It's not simply money that maybe we get dishonestly. Dishonest money is money that we think is going to satisfy us completely. And it doesn't. We never have enough money to satisfy what we think is our need. And that's why the money is dishonest. There's something deeper, not only in the parable stories, but in life itself. We are to be good stewards of the money that we're blessed with. That is the point of the beautiful reading from Amos. We can't be blind to the needs of the poor and those around us. Even with what little we have, there's something deeper than just money that binds us all together. And we need to pay attention to one another. But there is another kind of wealth that we all have. I took a trip to Russia not long ago. I had never been to Russia. I wanted to go and see what Russia was like. And in my mind, I thought Russia is a large, actually very large country that is powerful, and it is powerful on the world stage. But somehow I thought it was a wealthy country. And if you go to Moscow or to St. Petersburg, there are all the signs of wealth. But if you go out to the provincial towns, it's something else, even today. I visited a town called Yaroslavl. Yaroslavl is a town of about 60,000 people. It's a provincial town. Under socialism, not communism, but under socialism, the people felt very well provided for. Everyone worked in the town. There was a large factory there. All their education was provided. All their health care needs were met. But then in the 1980s through 1990s, for different reasons, Russia shifted to a capitalist economy. The factory shut down. The unemployment rate was 68% of the entire provincial town. And many of the young people immediately left. And over some time, there were very few there. They left to find employment elsewhere in the larger cities. And so today, this very large provincial town is mostly elderly people. We visited one of the homes, and the couple that was there, probably in their early 70s, they were such wonderful and welcoming people. And as they told their story, how in their lives at a certain time, they felt like everything had been provided, but today it was a struggle. And the guy that we were with asked the gentleman, "So how do you make it?" The man said, "Oh, we're blessed. The land that we have provides our food. And those of us who are still here in the village, we help one another. And the real blessing is in the holidays, when our children come home. We're blessed." Looking at them and their condition, they didn't look blessed. In their struggle, in some way in their poverty, they knew another wealth. The gift that they had in the land that was theirs. The gift that they had in their care for one another. The gift that they had as their children came home. The deeper wealth of our lives, our relationships with one another, and our relationship with God. In that lengthy and complicated parable today, the Lord God says He wished the people of the light, the people of faith, the people who know the mystery of love, were as clever as the people of the world. The steward had written down the debts and had the people who owed money change what they owed. How clever he was in providing for his own future. The people of the light who know the importance of God's love. That we be clever as well. in the wealth that is ours. We are blessed. Beyond money, which all of us could use more of. Beyond even the times that we squandered things, and we've all done that in different ways. There is a lasting truth to our lives. It is all about the mystery of God's love and our love of one another. The reason that the poor and the needy are important is because they are truly our brothers and sisters. The reason why our family is so important is that we all are God's family. God's great love is the deepest wealth of our lives. And the scriptures call us to be good stewards.